We're talking about window box planting. I guess keep in mind, some of you have colors that you like. I tend to like textures, so I do different textures. But make sure wherever your window box is going, or your plant or container, that it's in the right, you're picking the right plant for the right light. So these are all a full sun. They'll all take full sun. Some of them better than others, but this here you have a Gerber daisy, which are a nice little splash of color all summer long. You can deadhead these to keep them going all summer. We have a little dianthus here, which is another great window box container plant that will keep going all summer long. Once again, just deadhead, keep it looking good and fresh. You have, these are Million Bells, Calibrachoa, tiny little petunia. They just kind of flounce in your box and fill it in. You got a little lobelia here, which if it doesn't stay moist, it is going to burn out in the height of the summer if it gets too hot and too dry. But if you keep it moist, you have a much better luck with keeping it going longer into the season. And just keep in mind, when you're doing window boxes, you want different heights, you want different textures, and different, I mean, color is nice, but you can theme your boxes. One of the next ones that we'll talk about is keeping all the same color, but just different textures.